This Appalachian Real Estate property video is presented by Don Oliver. Brand new house under construction that should be done by June/July 2020. Open floor plan. Close to town. Can see the Tuckasegee River from the back porch. Home sets on completely flat acreage. When entering the home you have cathedral tongue and groove ceiling with wooden beams, open floor plan with kitchen, living room and dining room. Kitchen with stainless appliances and granite long with granite in both bathrooms. Gas insert fireplace in living room. Shiplap walls in living, dining and kitchen. Spilt floor plan. 2 12 by 12 bedrooms and bathroom in between. Master bedroom has French doors to let out to back porch with accent wall with shiplap. Master bathroom has tile shower with a separate bathtub and large walk-in closet. Tongue and groove ceiling in the bedrooms along with ceiling fans. Nice size laundry room with a barn door. Half circle drive with lots of parking. Owner is willing to customize home with an accepted offer. For more information